Okay, so it's finally here. It's finally arrived. Check this out. We've got it. It just came today, and after so long and after so many videos and creating content for around 10 years now, I have finally got the award. It took me a long time, but I got there eventually, and we're just gonna unbox and see the reward. I mean, I've wanted it for so long, and honestly, I didn't even get a chance to see the old one, but let's have a look at this one. And almost there, and there we go. And it is time to reveal. We have a cover, which is interesting to protect it. Ooh, we even have a letter. Okay. Oh my god, there it is. Look at that. So shiny. And we also have this little note as well, alongside this letter from official YouTube. Okay, I'm going to try my best to read this from the start. Right, so do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th? Chances are you do, and we know you'll definitely remember your 100th, 1000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they come to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. Be proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. That is awesome. So this is an actual letter from YouTube, and we also have this little card as well from the Society Awards right here to say congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. But yeah, so that's enough reading. Let's actually have a look at the reward, because this thing looks awesome. This is the new one. So I'm just gonna carefully get it out of the pack. Oh, we have another thing in the pack as well. And of course, we shall do the unboxing of the award. There it is. Look how shiny that is. That looks awesome. Presented to VerticDesigns for passing 100,000 subscribers. There we have it. Yeah, we got it. But yeah, honestly, it really means a lot that we got to this milestone. So I really do appreciate every single one of you. It's been honestly an amazing journey. I've enjoyed creating all the content I've made so far and looking forward to creating more content. I really appreciate everyone who stuck by and who watched my videos, who liked, shared, showed their friends, recommended it to anyone they know. And yeah, it really does mean a lot. Right now, I'm just speechless. I can't even think of words. I can't even read properly right now. I am honestly just speechless. Yeah, it's just crazy because it's took me so long. It's took me about a good 10 years or so, but I finally got it and it's here. And yeah, it's honestly amazing. It's an awesome milestone to reach. I can't believe I've actually got this in my hand. The amount of times I've seen other people have it has been absolutely crazy. And now for me to hold it, yeah, it's honestly a special moment. What do I even say at this point? Jesus, I think we definitely need to find a new location where to put this now. Maybe somewhere around here, near the PC or somewhere. We'll find a place. But yeah, I look forward to creating more content, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. 1,000th subscriber. 1,000? No, 100. Chances are that you... can't even read it. Your 100th, your 1,000th, and... oh crap, I'm missing this. So, do you remember your 1,000th subscriber? And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Is that what you say? I just can't read this. I really can't.